Are you ready to start your own handyman business? Well, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got the blueprint to help you build a thriving service. So grab your tools and let's get to work. All right, first things first, let's lay the groundwork here. Starting a handyman business isn't just about being good with tools. It's about building a solid foundation for your business, and here's how you can do that. All right, the blueprint for success. Here we go. First up, you've got to identify your services. Know what you're good at and what services you'll offer. This could be a range from general maintenance to specialized services like plumbing or electrical work. Number two, you got to get licensed and insured. Depending on where you live, you might need specific licenses to operate legally, and don't forget about insurance. It's crucial for protecting your business and your clients. And then step three, you got to start drafting a business plan, one that outlines your services, your target area you're trying to market to, your pricing, and how you plan to attract clients. This is going to be your roadmap that you're going to follow to be successful. All right, with the foundation set, it's time to build your brand and market your services. Here's how to make your handyman business stand out. First up, you have to create a memorable brand. That just means a catchy name, a logo that reflects your services and professionalism. Your brand identity is how customers will remember and recognize you. People remember brands way more than they're just going to remember a name. Next up, you've got to build an online presence. All right, so have a strong online presence is key. Good news is you can get a simple professional website for your handyman business for only $9 a month. Click on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's the easiest way to get a simple professional website. Once you've created that, be active on social media platforms where your potential customers spend their time. Check out some other videos we have on what to do on social media as a handyman. And then last, update your content. You're going to optimize it for local search results. So this means create a Google business profile, get reviews, link it to your website, share information on your website, and that way you get a better and better chance for people to find you when they search for a handyman in Google. All right, step four, run a handyman business is more than just the work. It's about managing the operations and planning for growth. Here's some things to keep in mind. Invest in good tools. Quality tools not just makes your job easier, but also shows your clients you're serious about your work. Consider it an investment in your business's future. Focus on customer service. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. Make sure you provide really friendly and excellent customer service, follow up on jobs, and encourage satisfied customers to leave that review for you on Google or refer others. Now, expand your skills. The more you can do, the more valuable your services become. Consider taking some courses or certifications in new areas to expand what you know and that you can offer to a broader client base. Okay, no business is an island, and this is especially true for a handyman. Building relationships with other businesses and professionals can open up new opportunities. Make sure you network locally, so join business groups, attend community events, connect with other contractors who might need your services. Networking can lead to valuable partnerships. Build good relationships with suppliers for better deals on materials. This can help lower your costs and increase your profit margins along the way. So starting a handyman business takes work, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Remember, every successful business starts with a single step. So it's time to start taking your first step forward. If you want more tips on building a successful local business, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you don't have a website yet, click on Mighty Sites to get started. There's a 7-day free trial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you in the next video.